Hi, welcome to day 3. We're just recording food at the buffet. I got some chico over here. Got some sauces over here. Got some salad over here. Hola. No papaya juice? Papaya juice?
Papaya.
Sí, pero juice. Jugo.
Yogur.
Sí. Hola. Jugo? Jugo papaya. Jugo. Jugo papaya. Sí. ¿Qué nombre? Got the kids corner over here. Vegetables. Couscous. Yeah. Oh. Sancho. Sancocho. Apritada.
Apritada we have it.
Got the bread section over here. You could toast it with some butter. Different types of bread. Brown bread. Regular buns. Brown buns. And actual loaves of bread. Sticks. Black bread. Move over to the opposite corner. Cookies. Want jello? Yeah, let's try one. Oh, this one looks good. It's like a red velvet cake. Oh, this one. Okay, that's it. We're gonna go back to the beach now. Beach is live. Sakaratuti. We don't have toalya. Okay, let's go get towels. Such a water feature. Tirahan ng mga lamok. Bigko sa kanan. Sa kaliwa. Tarjeta para toalya. Sampalok. Sí. Ay, meron si maming ano. And of course, me too.
I farted, you know?
Ano pa tayo magagawa?
Sorry guys, I farted.
Nasaan na tarjeta?
Sa akin.
today.